So in this construction, we want to take a look at how we can draw a line parallel to a given line through a given point. So here we have our given line, and here we have a point A, and what we wish to do is to draw a line through this point A such that it is parallel to this given line. So to do this construction, the first thing we are going to do is we're going to take a random point along our given line. So we have here our point B, and what we want to do now is to draw a circle centered on this point B. This circle is going to have a radius equal to the distance from the point B to the point A. Okay? So we'll draw that circle now. Okay, and you can see, as expected, our circle passed through the point A because its radius is this distance between B and A. What we're going to do now is mark the point where this circle intercepted our given line. So we have here our point C, and we're going to draw another circle now centered at the point C, and this circle is going to be the same radius as the circle we just drew, so we keep the compass setting the same. Okay, so now what we are going to do is draw one more circle. This circle will be centered around the point A, and again it will have the same radius as the two circles we've already drawn, so we won't change the compass again. So we'll draw that circle now, and as you would expect, it passed through the point B because of the radius length. What we wish to do now is to mark over here this point of intersection of our circle centered on the point C and our circle centered on the point A. Okay, so we've called that point D, and our construction now is pretty much complete. What we wish to do now is to draw a line which passes through the points A and D, and this line is parallel to our given line. Okay, so there we have our parallel line. So what we want to do now is take a look at why this construction works. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to draw two lines, one between the point B and A, and another between the points C and D. Okay, so there we have our two lines. And what we wish to highlight here is that the length of the line segment AB is equal to the length of the line segment BC, which is equal to the length of the line segment CD, which is equal to the length of the line segment AD. And so you can see all these lines are the one length because they are all based on circles of the same radius. Because they are all lines of the one length, we have a rhombus, and since this is a parallelogram, then the line AD must be parallel to the line BC, and so our construction is complete.